Good morning, YouTube. So I told you guys I was going to try to get healthy in 2018 with my diet, anti-aging things. I'm going to show you something that I'm eating for breakfast. Yes, this is not a traditional breakfast, but I'm just craving it. I am doing raviolis. I'm doing spinach ricotta raviolis. Let me show you guys real quick. What I do, here is the spinach ricotta raviolis. It is in an Alfredo sauce. But what do I do with that Alfredo sauce? I chop up a ton of spinach. And when I chop up this spinach, I just grab it and I've actually put it in the sauce. Pop. And what this will do, let me turn the camera around. So I chop it up and I stir it into the Alfredo sauce. You can see the raviolis in there. They will wilt down and the sauce will get nice and creamy with those little chunks of spinach. Oh, and if you are going to use spinach, please buy an organic spinach. Bon appetit. This is what it looks like. I just tossed in some raw red bell peppers on top, and that is the final product. Final dish. So I did want to turn on the camera and tell you guys, oh sorry, my voice is a little muffled. It's always a little muffled when I wake up. But spinach gives you the vitamins and minerals that you need. It gives you protein and iron. And yes, I know you guys are thinking like protein. Yes, spinach actually contains protein. And for you trainers out there that don't think it does, look it up. But it also controls your blood sugar, and it helps with the risk of, it lowers your risk of getting cancer. Now, red bell peppers in the raw form are absolutely fantastic. They are enriched in beta carotene. They are anti-inflammatories, and that is a huge thing. You know, we want to look as youthful as possible. So if we have any inflammatory anything that's inflamed in our body, we want that to reduce, especially in the face. You know, this also contains vitamin E, and vitamin E is fantastic for your skin. Come on, girls. We want to look as young as possible for as long as possible, and anti-inflammatory and vitamin E are so very important for your skin to look youthful. But if you're feeding your insides good, you know you're gonna look good and you're gonna feel great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I am Christina Marie. I am out. Oh, please push that like button and subscribe and comment if you want. I am Christina Marie. Bye.